Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Affresh washing machine cleaner and 3 reasons why you need this item. Reason number 1, this works on both top and front loading washers, and this is including the newer iterations of the, well, not newer iterations, but the high efficiency models, or HE, and that's basically the ones that cost you a lot more. The advantage, especially if it's a newer washer, specifically the HEs, is there is a setting on the dial that shows you where to set it exactly when working with this kind of system. And you will notice that on the Affresh front page, or front of the package, it shows you what brands of dryers are supported: Whirlpool, Maytag, and Amana. Reason number 2, extended cleaning due to time release tablets. So as soon as the water hits the drum, when it starts running, it doesn't immediately disintegrate. You're going to hear it if you're anywhere near the clothes washer. You're going to hear this, slight banging sound while the tablet's getting knocked around in the chamber. Now, they do suggest that there is residue, or maybe residue, depending on how it works, that you'll need to clear up out of the drum. Well, I found another way around that one. Just run another rinse cycle, and that has taken care of it for me. Now, your washer may not run into that same thing. Reason number 3, this removes odor-causing residues and grime. Now, I can speak to that directly because I bought a house that was, shall we say, well, not really a fixer-upper, but it had not been lived in for quite a while. I ran this through the drum in the clothes washer. Oh, it smelled a lot better. So that's just my experience with it, and you can draw your own conclusions. So this has been well worth it to me. Now, you're supposed to run this about once a month. I'm gonna just take it one step at a time. If I see it start to smell, okay, I may start running it. Maybe once a quarter. It's just, I'm gonna have to experiment a little bit. What they say now is once a month or every 30 cycles. Well, unless you're running this every day, you may not need to do it. And say you're running it, let me pick a time, twice a month. Then, that would be barely, I probably won't go that long, but it's good to have something like this that will help reduce that much cleaning manually that has to be done. So take a look at this one and think about getting it today.